I think I messed up. I underestimated how amazing this new AI tech is for creating kids' books. Hey, parents, are you tired of the same old boring ebooks and PDFs that fail to captivate your child's imagination? Introducing Talking Kids Books, the revolutionary AI app that creates stunning interactive children's storybooks in over 100 languages with just 3 simple clicks. Login, create, and sell. It's that easy. Imagine generating vibrant storybooks, cartoon books, math books, and more, rich with engaging plots and colorful illustrations. And guess what? No writing, designing, or hefty fees involved. Publish your masterpieces on platforms like Amazon KDP, Apple Books, eBay, and more, tapping into the $438 billion children's book industry. This isn't just about books. It's about making reading magical and profitable. Plus, if you grab it during the launch, you get bonus materials worth $16,458 for free. So what are you waiting for? Check the link in the description and join the future of children's literature today.